Hey everyone, I am Maruf from E3DS Streaming. Today I am going to show you how to use automation tool to package and upload your Unreal Engine Pixel Streaming project directly to Eagle 3D streaming system all in one click. If you have ever spent time manually packaging and uploading builds, this plugin will save you tons of times. So let's jump right in. E3DS Automation Tool is a free plugin listed on Fab that automates the entire deployment pipeline for Unreal Pixel streaming projects. It takes your Unreal project, packages it, compresses it, and uploads it to the Eagle 3D streaming. Ready for remote access and testing. No need to manually zipping or move files anymore. Okay, so first thing first, how you can get the plugin. So you need to go to the Fab marketplace, that is fab.com. This is a new Unreal Engine marketplace. So after that, you need to search for E3DS Automation Tools. You see, it's already showing me the plugin. So you need to go here. Then you need to add to your library. After that, what we can do, we can just open up our Epic Game Launcher, head over to the Fab section. Under the Fab, we can search for E3DS Automation Tool. So this is the automation tool. We just need to install the plugin on our engine. I already installed it, so that's why it is showing this one. Let me show. So how to confirm that plugin has been installed? You need to go to Unreal Engine, go to Library. After that, click on the Install Plugin section. You see, here it is. So the E3DS Automation Tool, and it is currently saying update has been available. Okay, we will close this one. I will close the Epic Game Launcher. So this is my project. I will package and upload this one with the automation tool. So how to configure? So first of all, open up your project, go to Edit, head over to the plugin section, search for Pixel Streaming. Make sure your Pixel Streaming plugin has been enabled. Another thing, search for E3DS. This E3DS automation tool. We will be needing the tool. So just confirm that you have enabled both of the plugins and register your engine. Okay, so the engine is registered. As we can see, the Pixel Streaming plugin has been enabled, and also the E3DS automation tools. Okay, so let's prepare the plugin. So first of all, we need to go to the project settings. After that, make sure that your game maps are correct. After that, head over to the plugin section and E3DS automation tool setting. First of all, you will be needing the E3DS automation executable. So where do you get the executable? So just click this button. It will automatically download the executable in your download folder. So I have already downloaded it. So this is the exe file. Open, and I will be needing the 7-zip path. So the 7-zip path will be under local disk C, program file 7-zip, 7zip.exe. Open this up. Okay, so next we will be needing the API keys. So where should we get the API key? Just click this button, get E3DS API key. So yeah, just click on copy, and your API key will automatically copy it to your clipboard. Just paste it over here. You will be needing a streaming app name. So I have given a name like test automation. Okay, so the packaging mode is set to development. If you don't need the logs and other thing, you can go with the shipping build. Here is one button. It is saying launch streaming app URL on completion. So whenever the build is ready and uploaded to our system, it will automatically launch the streaming URL on our browser side. Okay, so now everything is ready. Now we can just hit this one button, and this will automatically package your project, compress the build files, and upload everything to your Eagle 3D streaming account automatically. And it will automatically launch the streaming URL once it's completed, and you can see the output log in the executable file. Okay, so here it's saying everything is okay and the zipping has been completed. Now it is just uploading the app to our system. Okay, so as you can see, we can play the game into our streaming platform. Okay, yeah, that's great. Okay, so if you want to manage the app, you can head over to controlpanel.eagle3dstreaming.com. You can search your app name. So our app name was, yeah, test automation. So this is test automation. You can create new streaming link. You can create or edit new configs. So let's say, yeah, you can edit new config. You can do whatever you like. So another thing, the E3DS automation tools supported 5.2 to 5.6. Okay, let's say if you are using 5.0 or 5.1, what you can do? You can head over to github.com/E2DS-UE4 and E3DS automation tool. You can clone the repository or you can download the plugin as a zip. Then you can use this plugin on your Unreal Engine 5.0 or 5.1. And that's it. You have just learned how to use automation tool to package and upload your Unreal Pixel Streaming project with one click. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Visit us at eagle3dstreaming.com and follow us on social media for more insights.